Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'll be showing you how to do these pretty purple nails with dried flowers encapsulated in them. So I started out by sculpting out her set with Young Nail Synergy Gel and Concealer Pink. She likes having this nude background on all of her nails, so I went ahead and did that. And then we're going to go in with this first color from Light Elegance. This is Soft Serve. This is from the spring collection, and you have seen this one before because it is one of my favorites from the collection, this beautiful light lilac color. So we're going to apply this to all of her nails except her ring fingers. And now I'm going to apply the second coat to her nails. And now for the ring finger, I'm going to go in with Young Nail's Flex Gel. This is a super thin gel I usually use with glitters, but we'll be using the dried flowers. So I'm going to apply a thin layer on the ring finger. And then this is the wheel I have of dried flowers. We will be using the dark purple. So this was my first time encapsulating dried flowers. So they are more 3D and not quite flat. So when you press them down, some of the petals do break, but I find that it's okay if you break them and kind of push them together into the gel, because then it still looks like the full flower, but then you get them flat enough so that way you can encapsulate them. So I go back and forth using my dotting tool and my nail to push the dried flowers into the nail, and then I give that a quick flash cure. And now we're going to go in and add a little bit of glitter. We're going to use Light Elegance's Swing by Sweden. This is from their winter collection. This one is a pretty iridescent glitter, and it kind of shifts from a yellow to a blue or purple, depending on what color you put on top of. And I'm just going in and I'm adding little pieces of glitter around the dried flowers. And then I will go in and do a full coat of the glitter on the middle nail. And then on the thumbs, I will do a glitter fade with this glitter as well. And to encapsulate the dried flower nails, I will be using my Young Nails Build Gel. And after I cured the encapsulated nails, I went ahead and finished filed those off camera. So here's what they are looking like. And now it's time for top coat. So we'll be using my Light Elegance's Super Shiny. And so here is how her nails turned out. I am absolutely in love with this set. Of course, they're purple, which is my favorite color. They are perfect for spring, and I finally got to use those dried flowers I've literally had forever and never used on anyone's nails, including my own. So happy that she was gonna let me play with them. And they were actually pretty easy to encapsulate and not make the nails too thick. And so just because we did want the flowers to be the main focus, we left the other nails plain with just a little bit of glitter. So this look is perfect for spring, and it gives it a different twist to the nails. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!